students, now geography का English medium में this is the fourth lecture. We studied the size of the India. In the last lecture, we studied the size of the India. It is about 3.28 kilometer, 3.28 kilometer square and 2.4% of entire world. This we studied in the last class. And also, Tropic of Cancer passes from the 8 states. These states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura and the Mizoram. So all these things we studied in the last lecture. Now there is another important topic. This topic is that India is present in between 68 degrees 7 east to 98 degree 25 minutes. Nearly there is a difference between latitude. There is difference between the two latitude line is 30 degree. We know that the difference between the two latitude lines is 30 degree, and this is the latitude, the longitudinal distance between the two lines in case of angle is 30 degree, and latitude lines also 8 degree 4 minute and then 37.6 degree. This difference is always 30 degree. Means latitude difference and longitude difference is 30 degree, but the one of the important factor, this extent is much greater than this extent. Means this area from west to east is lesser than the south to north or north to south. This shows this boundary is 3214 kilometer, and from west to south or from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh distance is 2933. What is the meaning of this? इसका मतलब क्या है? बिल्कुल आसानी से जान लो कि दोनों रेखाओं के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है that is of 30 degree, but the distance, original distance between the Arunachal Pradesh and the Gujarat is 2933, and between the Jammu Kashmir and the Tamil Nadu is 3214. Means this size is greater than this size, but in case of longitude layers, this distance is around 30 degree and this distance is also 30 degree. Means there is no difference, but in case of distance there is a difference, that from the Jammu Kashmir to the Tamil Nadu the distance is 3214 kilometer, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh the distance is 2933 kilometers. So this is the important parameter. If you read your NCERT, then you get this. Now I come to the point that there is a time lag between the Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh. There is a time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh around 2 hours. Means what is mean this? I just elaborate this in Hindi that अगर आप अरुणाचल प्रदेश में देखें, if you analyze the Arunachal Pradesh, that the sun appears in the Arunachal Pradesh before 2 hours from Gujarat. गुजरात से 2 घंटा पहले आंध्र प्रदेश में सूरज नजर आ जाता है. मतलब यहां से और यहां तक का टाइम डिफरेंस 2 घंटा है. तो अगर आप ऐसे टाइम को लोगे, if you take time in this manner, then the time will change. according to the boundaries of the states. So India decided that there is a standard meridian, yet time taken as a standard meridian. जो standard meridian का समय है वही समय लिया जाता है, और हमारी standard meridian वो पास होती है, it is passes from 82 degree 30 minutes longitude. This is 82 degree 30 minutes longitude या longitudinal passes from the Mirzapur. Passes from the Mirzapur. याद रखना हमारा जो टाइम है वो हम किसके हिसाब से लेते हैं? Our standard time is based on the longitudinal line. Our standard time, I write this. Our standard time is based on the time which is our standard time is based on the time of longitude 82 degree 30 minutes passes from Mirzapur. This is the important thing. Our standard time is based on the time of the longitude 82 degree 30 minutes passes from the Mirzapur. कि हमारा जो टाइम है, और this meridian is known as standard meridian. This line is known as standard meridian. So this is the important aspect. Now our science will complete, and there is another important thing, that from 22 degree there is a taper. This taper divides the Indian Sea into two seas. One is Arabian Sea, and another one is, this part is known as Bay of Bengal. We studied in the last lecture, so this is important for you. Now again I repeated all these things, that the difference between the two latitude line and the two longitudinal line is 30 degree, but original distance is 2933 between the Arunachal Pradesh and the Gujarat, and 3214 between the Jammu Kashmir and the Tamil Nadu. And also there is a time lag between the Arunachal Pradesh and the Gujarat, which is around 2 hours. So to counteract this effect, to reduce this effect, we take as a time which is based on the time of the longitudinal that passes from the Mirzapur. So this longitudinal line as passes from the Mirzapur is taken as a standard time, or this is a standard meridian which is passes from the 82 degree 30 minutes. So many questions are there. The longitudinal line which is passes through 82 degree 30 minute is known as standard meridian. This is also important question. What is the distance between Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh? 2933. What is the difference between Jammu Kashmir and the Tamil Nadu border? Is 3214 kilometer. And the western longitudinal line 68 degree 7 minute. Eastern longitudinal line 98 degree 25 minutes. Same latitude that India has originated or present between the two latitude line, which is 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degree 6 minute. And our standard time is based on the standard meridian which is passes through the Mirzapur. I hope you get all these things and just read it. Thank you.